day, month, year, and date functions. In Excel, day function, extract day, month, year. This is my example. I have day, month, and year result after extracted. Now, I remove these result on cell. First, find day. Press equals and type day function. Next, click date and close parentheses and enter. The result is show only day from date is correct. Month function. Next, find month. First, press equals and type month function. Next, click on date cell and close parentheses and enter. Okay, these outcome extract only month. Year function. Next, extract year. First, click on cell, press equals and type year function. Click on date cell and close parentheses and enter. Now day, month, year had extracted from full date. Date function. Combine date. This is my example that I want to merge day, month, and year in cell. Okay, let's start. Hold select and remove function. Next, press equals and use date function. Open parentheses and click on year. Next, comma and click month. And comma again and click day. Close parentheses and enter. Okay, the outcome is combine a full date,